Okay, so still working on organization here. So I have this thing now, and it just sort of fits under. So this one was a little bit just fit with slight bend, and then this one fit under okay, and then this one there's a little ledge underneath that just my fingers can fit under. I'm not sure if that's even visible, but sort of just like that. But it's secure enough going under. I was originally going to put it like right here as a shelf, but I'm going to have to put any shelf low to actually still have access to these. These are like the ones that I'm most likely to route stuff to, is like this section here because it's right in front of me for fader control. These blue ones are stereo and these are mono, but it's, I think, a better solution for the cable management and alignment of everything. Originally, it was on these wooden boards that just came out because they're between the desk and the mixer. So this is a metal chassis here. Not 100% sure if I'm just going to use it for actual all this stuff down here, or some of it anyway. But it does give a little bit of a base. So it's a little more organized now. Still a long way to go, but and this is still sort of a little ad hoc.